Hi, I'm Fraser Simpson and I'm here at the Tax Mechanic. In this video, I'm going to talk about objections. When you have a dispute with Revenue Canada, you have to do it properly and on a timely basis. If a taxpayer disputes an assessment, they can file a notice of objection to request a review. You should have a professional file the objection for you because it's quite complicated and it requires experience. The objection process takes approximately a year to complete from start to finish. A taxpayer can correct errors on an assessment, such as penalties or deductions that have been denied or revenue that's been included that shouldn't have been, by filing a notice of objection within 90 days. The taxpayer can request a review through the objection process without fear of prosecution or incurring additional tax. A taxpayer can file a review and is within their rights to do so. If a taxpayer receives an assessment that they dispute, they can file a notice of objection to request a review. Filing an objection, it should be on expenses that are denied or revenue or income that's been assessed without documentation. The objection process takes a year, so you should qualify it. If you've only got a couple $100 that you want to dispute, maybe just call Revenue Canada and sort it out. But if you go through the objection process, it should be worth your while. When you file the notice of objection, you have 90 days to do it after you receive your assessment. If you go past the 90 days, you have to file for an extension of time. So it's best to do it within the 90 days. Once you do it, it takes about a year before Revenue Canada processes it. There's no cost associated with the objection, but it's important to make sure that you have your details fully explained, because an officer will look at it and may contact you to dispute the claim. The objection process, in my experience, is quite favorable. Revenue Canada will negotiate with you and are quite reasonable, and if you have a valid reason, they normally side with the taxpayer. You need a professional because it's a complicated process and you get one shot at it.